Hey guys, and welcome back, say it with me, to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing my horror movie t-shirt collection video. The last one I did like this was with all of my band t-shirts. If you guys have not seen that yet, I will go ahead and throw that up in the corner so you guys can go and check it out. You can see all of my band tees. A few of them are really old and have really cool stories behind them, so if you guys are interested in that, make sure you go click it, check it out. That would be awesome. But in today's video, we are going to be focusing all on the horror movie t-shirts that I have. Now, I don't think I have as many horror movie t-shirts as I do band t-shirts, but I do have a pretty decent amount that, you know, I can do a collection video on. Eye makeup is like super dramatic today. I am living for it, except this eye for some reason always waters. I don't know what the hell is going on. Did this with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette. Hope the lighting is okay. We are in my bedroom, of course, where I keep all of my clothes, and I'm only using my bedroom window as daylight, so hopefully it's not too bad. Just kind of bear with me here. Even though we have been on YouTube for a while, we are just... I'm not a good YouTuber, okay? Like, the production value is just like subpar. But without further ado, let's go ahead and open my closet so I can show you guys all of my horror movie t-shirts. So we have about this many to go through. So again, not as many as my band tees, but still a pretty decent amount. So before we jump into my closet, I will show you the very first one, which is of course the one that I am wearing. If you guys do or do not know who this is, if you don't know who this is, like, you know, shame on you. This is the glorious Hellraiser t-shirt, Pinhead t-shirt, whatever you want to call it. I believe I got this off of hottopic.com, I'm pretty sure. And the back just looks like this. It has like a Hellraiser world tour type deal going on the back there. And here's what the front looks like. I absolutely love this one. This one is definitely one of my favorites. It's so cool. And I love Pinhead. My goal one day is to get a portrait of Pinhead tattooed on me. So, and here's another view of what the back of it looks like. I'll move you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can see better and we can start pulling out the rest of my t-shirts. The first one I'm going to pull out of my closet is this one right here, and I'm going to do this one first because I actually get a lot of questions on this. And this shirt I actually bought off of Wish. This was my very first ever Wish purchase. It wasn't very expensive. I think it was like $1 or something, like one of the things where it says like just pay shipping. And I decided to get this just to kind of try out Wish at the time, and I really thought this shirt was cool. Now, as you can see, it is a little blown out. It is a little like low quality looking. I wear this one quite a bit. I do really like this shirt, even though it doesn't look exactly like the listing on Wish. I still really enjoy this one because it's so badass. I love all of these horror movie characters. I own a great deal of these movies as well. But yeah, that's the first shirt. So if any of you are wondering where I got this from, I got it on Wish. The next shirt is of course one of my other favorites, and that is this awesome Michael Myers t-shirt. Hopefully you can see it's kind of wrinkled right there. There he is. So I got this one off of Hot Topic as well, I believe. I was just on there looking at like all of the horror t-shirts. I think it was like around Halloween time, and I saw this one and it was like a no-brainer. I had to get it. Michael Myers is my all-time favorite horror movie character. My second is probably Chucky, and my third is Pinhead, and then probably Freddy, Jason, and Leatherface in that order. Michael Myers definitely takes the #1 spot. So it's just a black t-shirt with his face on there like that, and the back is just plain black. I do wear this one quite a bit as well. This next one that I have is actually a pretty old one, and if you guys have been subscribed to me, then you'd know that I used to do horror block unboxings, which it was like a horror subscription box where every month I would get a new box, and it always came with really cool stuff. I absolutely loved horror block, but I ended up unsubscribing because there was a lot of issues with shipping, and they eventually went out of business. So horror block no longer exists as far as my knowledge goes. I don't think they're still in business, but with every single box there would be a t-shirt. And I think this was the very first horror block t-shirt I ever got, and it is this one right here. A lot of people don't know what this is, but if you look closer, this is definitely a Jaws t-shirt. So another big giveaway is Orca right here. That was the name of the boat. and it just says Deep Sea Charters. I'm sorry these are like all wrinkled. I don't know why that is. I should really like step up my ironing game. Really do like this one. Jaws was one of my favorite horror movies for sure, especially as a kid. It really kind of freaked me out. And Jaws was actually the last movie that I watched with my dad before he passed away. We were hanging out one night and I asked if he wanted to watch a movie, and he said he wanted to watch Jaws. So that was the last movie that we ever got to watch together. So Jaws kind of has like a very like special place in my heart. But all right, the next one I have is another Horror Block t-shirt, and this one is really fucking cool. This one is Misery. If you guys have never seen the movie Misery, stop this video right now and go watch it because it's fantastic with Kathy Bates. Oh my gosh, she is fucking creepy, dude. Like, you know, you watch her in Fried Green Tomatoes and you're like, girl. And then you watch her in Misery and you're like, girl. That's what this shirt looks like. It just says Misery Lane right here. We have the little house down here at the bottom. And I really like this because it actually shows like the car flipped upside down. I don't know, really fucking cool. And then we have Kathy Bates right here with the most disturbing scene in the movie by far. This little sledgehammer right here. Ooh, this one is actually a newer one, and I got this shirt in a Creepy Crate unboxing. I think the last Creepy Crate unboxing that I did, I got this shirt. And this is my I Heart Dairy t-shirt from the movie It, and another Stephen King movie. But I really like this shirt. I don't own an It t-shirt, so when I got this one I was super excited about it, with the little heart in the balloon. So that is what that shirt looks like. Ooh, this next one is one of my favorites. This one, again, near and dear to my heart because the first horror movie I ever watched as a kid was The Exorcist, and I had to get an Exorcist t-shirt. Again, I'm pretty sure I got this one off of Hot Topic when I got this one and the Michael Myers one. This one is definitely one of my all-time favorites that I own. So we have like the purple and green. First off, I absolutely love the colors of this. And then in the green, we have Reagan's face right here. Holy shit, so creepy. And another really cool thing is on the back, we have Father Merrin showing up to the house, looking up at the window with like the streetlight scene and everything. Such an iconic scene and a very recognizable scene. So I love that they put this on the back. And the front is just the purple, The Exorcist, and it says The Exorcist upside down on the bottom as well, with Reagan's face right there. I could own like 10 of these. I totally would, because these are so cool. Ooh, this one is a really old one. I honestly can't remember where I got this one. I don't know if it was like a Christmas gift, but it is my The Lost Boys t-shirt. I fucking love this shirt. I love the movies. I have all 3 of them. And on the bottom it says Be One of Us and The Lost Boys on top, and it has Kiefer Sutherland as a vampire right on the front there. Really super cool. I have had this shirt for forever. Like, it has like little like sweat stains even like on the armpits. Like, this shirt is so fucking old. I can't even tell you. It's got to be at least 10 years old. Really cool t-shirt. I absolutely love this one, and the design is actually held up pretty well for how many times it's been worn and washed. So yeah, really cool. And then the back is just plain. Oh yeah, the next one we have is my Chucky shirt, and it is just this black t-shirt right here with Chucky right on the front, and then this is the Child's Play 3. Fun fact is, I actually, out of all the Child's Play movies, Child's Play 3 is my least favorite. I don't know why, I just don't really like the plot of that one. I don't like the storyline behind that one, so it's kind of ironic that I have a Child's Play 3 t-shirt, and I don't even like that Child's Play. I don't know, it's just kind of weird. Let me know down in the comments which Child's Play was your least favorite, because I feel like a lot of people like 3 and hate 2. I don't know, but I personally don't like 3. The iconic Child's Play 3 logo down at the bottom. Yeah, this one is super cool, really super comfy, because again, it is on that bigger side, which I adore. Ooh, we have another Horror Block shirt. I think this was either my second one I ever got, and a lot of people don't know which one this is, but if you are a true horror movie fan, if you are a true Alfred Hitchcock fan, then this you recognize right away, and this is from the movie Psycho. This is the iconic house. Really think this is super cool and creepy, and I don't know, I just love it. Psycho is such an iconic movie. All right, the next one we have is another Horror Block shirt that I got, and this one is another Michael Myers one. This one is probably my least favorite. But it's this shirt right here. We have Michael Myers' face right on the top. And then on the bottom it says Haddonfield High Horror. And it says 1978 on the knife. And then it says track team. I don't really understand the whole track team thing. I don't know what that is supposed to mean. I don't know if it's because like you're constantly running from Michael Myers. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. I like the fact that it says Haddonfield High. I like the fact that it says Halloween right here. I like that 1978 is on the knife, but... Oh, okay. I get it. So right here it says run for your life, so track team. Okay, I think I get it now. Right, the next one is my American Horror Story t-shirt, and it's just this gray one right here. I don't know where I got this from. It might have been from Spencer's or something of that sort, but on the front we have a lot of the characters here. Let me know down in the comments also, what is your favorite American Horror Story season? Mine, hands down, is 4 and 5. I hated 3, I hated 2, I hated 6. All the other ones just suck. I could literally watch 1, 4, and 5 on repeat all day. 5 is probably my favorite. I loved American Horror Story Hotel. Lady Gaga looked so hot. She fucking killed it in that season, and it's my favorite. It's the most interesting to me. Alright, we have another horror block shirt, and this one is my Texas Chainsaw Massacre one. This one I don't wear that much. I don't know why, because it is super fucking cool. So we have Leatherface right here on the front with some crossbones down at the bottom here. Really fucking cool. I absolutely love this t-shirt. Like, look how badass that is. I can't remember what remake it is. I want to say it's the 2011 remake of Texas Chainsaw Massacre. That is absolutely so fucking awful. I can't even stand to watch it. When it comes to horror movies, I'm definitely someone who is more into like the original movies and not so much the remakes. I just feel like the remakes so often get ruined, and it just drives me bonkers. Alright, and that is actually everything that I have for horror movie t-shirts, but I do have 2 movie t-shirts that I might as well just show you guys really quick in this video. So first I have a Game of Thrones one. Now I know this isn't horror, but I figured I would just throw them in this video. This is my Game of Thrones t-shirt, and it just says everything is better with some wine in the belly. This one my boyfriend got me, and I'm not sure where he got it from. I think it might have been Target, I'm pretty sure. And this next one, oh my gosh. Okay, so if you are the kind of person who likes to watch a lot of like cult favorite movies, or you're really into that like cult film life, then you know the movie The Room. If you guys have never seen The Room, basically let me summarize it for you. It is the worst, best movie ever made. Tommy Wiseau, I absolutely love him. He is the actor, the main actor, director, producer, writer of that film, and it is honestly so fucking bad that it's fabulous. I can't even describe it. Look it up, watch the trailer. You can probably find the movie online. Anyway, it is like a cult classic movie now. A lot of people love it. I actually filmed a movie with James Franco and Seth Rogen, kind of like mimicking that movie and showing how it was made, which is really, really cool. Anyway, so long story short, it's a movie that not a lot of people know about, and if you do know about it, you know what I mean? My sister got me this shirt for my birthday, and I seriously cracked the fuck up when I saw this. Tearing me apart, Lisa! It has Tommy Wiseau right on the front here, and it just says you're tearing me apart, Lisa, right there. It is so bad, but so fucking good. I actually own the movie, and it's iconic. Alright guys, and that is everything that I have for my horror movie collection t-shirt video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, make sure to go down, give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you so much for watching. Be creepy, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye guys!